So I'm using this TWELSEAVAN 120 watt panel. Here is the 4 panels all folded out using the included fabric legs that come out with Velcro and have an attached strap. And I am using the Anderson connector. So I will show, I've got green light in there saying that it's generating power. There's a USB QC3 and a regular USB jack and a Type-C output. I'm using the 5.5 millimeter round output that allows me to connect it to this power generator by Paxess. And this is the cable, one of the several cables that are included with this solar panel. So the setup I have here is I've got my solar panel ready to connect when I need to charge this power station. Right now I'm using both the AC outlet and 2 USB plugs. So it's charging my Ryobi batteries and it's charging my phone and USB power bank.